Anyang is a border province in the southwest, located in a warm location. Anyang is surrounded by immense thorny palm trees and majestuous mountain ranges and green Melaleuca forest. Endowed nature and suitable climate are ideal living conditions for many types of animals, one of which is a Burmese python. The Burmese python, scientifically named Python malaris, is classified in Group 2B, endangered and rare forest animals, and is on the red list of Britain of Vietnam. The longest python of all pythons has been discovered in Vietnam with an average length of 4 to 6 meters. The longest is 8 meters, weighing more than 100 kilograms. The distinguishing feature of the Burmese python is a grayish-brown head, long and small. The top of the head has a lanceolate pattern, with a pointed tip extending from the neck toward the tip of the muzzle. The upper back is gray or light yellow, alternating red spots bordered with black. Burmese pythons living in the southern delta region will usually be found in swampy locations, floodplain forests, Melaleuca forest, or places with their arches. The main food of pythons is small animals. Indeed, this snake is starving and it starts to find prey to fill its empty stomach. In the final months of the year, the Burmese python has to expend much energy for the next hunt as it knows that when the weather is cold, it must stop fighting its prey for storing the energy in several months till the cold weather is gone. Burmese python is a reptile which is active mainly at night and in the morning. He often moves to places having sunlight or basking, which helps them absorb temperature from sunlight by their skin in order to support the food digestion and metabolism in their body. Based on the senses with special ability which the creator gifting helps him to determine range position in the distance from 10 to 100 meters. Continuously moving makes the snake consume too much energy, and he is aware of this forest which is not suitable to continue to hunt. And he starts moving to another place. In the last month of the year, when the rice fields are almost finished, the falling rice scattered throughout is an ideal food source for both. The Burmese python moves quickly. The dark pattern on the body makes it easy for them to hide on any types of terrain. This rat is trying to find a meal for himself without a slight warning because the mouse does not know that he is about to become good prey for a legless animal called a Burmese python. When he got close to his prey, the snake did not know that it had been discovered, but the mouse had let the food run away. The Burmese python immediately slithered quickly into the bushes to wait for the next opportunity to hunt. People began to herd the ducks back to their coops as the sky gradually darkened. Darkness gradually enveloped. Now there were only light from the lights around the house. The right time has come to start the hunt tonight. The snake begins to move into people's houses. He moves slowly and is constantly on guard and examining its surroundings. He begins to sense the surrounding environment based on his sensors located on both sides of his mouth. He seems to have found suitable prey, a chicken. At night, although vision is limited, the snake easily determines the location of his prey based on his constantly active tongue. Apparently, the chicken took the slightest precaution about the imminent danger. The Burmese python slithers into the dark place to avoid the eyes of his prey. But the chickens has already begun to sense danger and warily moves to another place. Even so, it is impossible to escape the sight of this cold-blooded predator. The cold-blooded predator has achieved his purpose. The more he struggled, the more the snake squeezed until the chicken was no longer able to resist. It takes a lot of energy for it to digest an entire adult chicken. Burmese python is a species included in the Conservation Regulation of Group 2B, a group of endangered and rare wild animals by the Red List of Britain of Vietnam and the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The fact that many people intended to buy and sell pythons to serve the needs of meat, skin, and fat for personal purpose. Therefore, the number of pythons in the wild in Vietnam is alarming due to illegal animal poaching. For many years, the voluntary surrender of forest animals to the natural environment has shown the chance of joining hands to protect wildlife, making an important contribution to species conservation and biodiversity conservation.